Okay, everyone. First of all, start from the major pair in a Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, Bitcoin, Nifty, Bank Nifty, and other few requested pair. So let's quick some recap about Euro USD in a higher time frame. First of all, okay, start from the daily time frame perspective, and this one is our daily time frame structure. And you know, as we do in every session, you have to mark first of all major lower low and higher high and lower high and what is possible structure right now. So start from the top to bottom and what are you looking here? Okay, so everyone mark here lower lows and lower high and what is a possible structure here. If you don't know exactly that how you can annotate here, simply tap on the annotate button on your Zoom. Okay, then you will see annotate icon. Simply tap them and then you are able to mark here like this. Okay, everyone. Perfect. So actual structure is here. If you can see here, this one is our lower low, and this one is our lower high. Break the structure is here, lower low, because this one is our pullback. This one is a lower high. Again, break the structure, create new lower low. This was our inducement. Again, push lower low, and this one is our inducement. So right now we have a structure like this. Okay. So this become our breakoff structure is here. Okay. And middle of the move. Okay. And again, this one is our last middle of the move. And this one is our change of character. Like this. Okay. So right now, market momentum is a completely shift bearish to bullish and looking for the continuation, and market already closed our weight. Right. So we can see some bullish momentum to the upside in Euro USD in upcoming weeks and months. Correct. So after change of factor, we are looking here for why. Right now we have only one pullback at this time, only this one. Which one is here? Why? Because market close our weight. After closing, you need to identify where is our first pullback. Right now you can see market push higher high like this. Okay, and this one is our small pullback and go higher high, right? And why? And why this one is here? Because this one is our small pullback is here. Correct. So this become our valid pullback, and this one is our major low, like here. Sorry. Correct. And this one is our minor. So once market taken out any low, you are looking here for buy, right? And this one is not your inducement, and some people mark this one is inducement, and they say that this one is our pullback. But look at the left side. Okay, When you see in this line, correct? So this one happening only internal structure move like this high and this low. If anything happen between this, doesn't matter. These are internal structure, and this one is our single line, correct? And this small pullback is responsible for this leg, right? Like this. Okay. So right now only one pullback is here. Which one is here? Once market taken out, so this one is our actual inducement is here. Then we can buy here at least, right? And if market taken out this measure and then go higher. And why this one is a minor M measure? Because first thing is here, you can see this one is happening only this move, between this move, right? So this one is our internal and this one is our major structure. This one is our minor structure. Okay. So this one is our possible scenario and we can buy here. If market create new structure, something like this, go high, and then we can consider this one is our change of character, sorry, inducement, and then market go higher like this. Okay. So this X convert into IDM. Okay. Now let's switch into 15-minute structure. So right now we have a 15-minute structure, and now you can see here, and you can mark here a valid structure here to here. Okay, what is a possible structure right now, and where is our higher high and lower lows at the time in a 15-minute structure in a USD? Okay, right now we can see here, if you start from the bottom to top and top to bottom again. So right now you can see market is continue pushing higher high, and when market continue go higher high and market need inducement to confirm higher high. So in this line you can see what happened here. This one is a just pullback, and market push downside again go higher high, and in this line there is no inducement is here. But at this point market taken out the minor inducement, which one is here. Okay. So after taking out the inducement, market higher high is a confirm here, and again create new structure is here. Which one is here? I'm sorry. Okay. And again, market go higher high. And this one is a new high, new low. Again, sorry. This one is a new break off structure. Again, go higher high, and this one is actual structure. Okay. So this one is our new structure like this, right? And this one. Okay. So right now, momentum is a bullish. Okay. But when we can buy in this line, we can buy after taking out the inducement, taking out the initial liquidity. In this case, where is our inducement and initial liquidity, right? Okay. So everyone can mark here that where is our inducement and initial liquidity point. And just like everyone. Hello. Okay. Okay. So this one is our also inducement is here as we did here, right? Because this one is our valid pullback is here. Correct. So we can also consider this one is our valid pullback, right? This pullback taken out the previous candle high, right? So new low is here, right? And where is our ingenuity? In this case, you have to identify where is our unmitigated order block, the extreme. Start from the extreme. So if you can see here at this point on this candle, right? Okay, so this one is our extreme, right? And this low act like a engineer liquidity. Which one is here? Okay, so this one we can use extreme as a engineer liquidity, and this is inducement. Correct. If anything happen between this, those are all act like a SMT, right? Yes, imbalance is here, but very minor imbalance. So we can sell until market tap on this extreme POI, right? Like this high sweep and sell, break the structure is here, okay? And after break the structure, we can sell mine here. This one is a taken out the inducement, tap on this order block and sell. Again break the structure, again sell until broken this, taken out this line, and we can sell until tap on the extreme is here. Okay, so this is a possible scenario right now here in a Euro-USD as per the 50-minute structure. We are looking here for the sell short term, tap on this extreme POI, right? Okay, now switch into another pair, which one is a JPUSD. Now let's switch into the daily time frame structure. So right now, this one is our JPUSD chart in a daily time frame picture, and daily time frame picture is also bearish right now here, and market not market not shift any structure is here. If you can see, these are our actual structure. Which one is here? Lower low, lower high, again push downside, new structure is here. And in this leg, this one is a no inducement. So our structure is a shift here, as we did in a last webinar. This high act like a inducement. Correct. And right now we have only one lower high, which one is here. Once market broke this one and close our it, so this one act like a change of factor. Okay, and we can buy our bid once market close our bid, and then we can buy for the longer term as per the daily time frame structure. And right now we have a chance for the short term sell because market is completely bearish. If market give any indication for the buy or sell, then you can definitely take a chance here for the sell on this order block, right? Because this one is extreme and everything is mitigated above it. So this one is a very highly chances that market can give you a short term pullback here. Then you can sell, right? And this one is our possible scenario, and maybe possible market can give you short term move to the downside, then again go higher high like this, and then market take a deeper pullback and go high, right? So this one is our possible scenario. Okay, now we can switch into 15-minute to see exactly what happening here. In a 15-minute structure, you can see here market is trying to push a little bit downside. Okay, and first of all zoom this one. Here everyone mark. Okay, okay, so right now momentum was bullish and this was our lower high and this one is our lower low. Again market go higher high, sorry, higher high and higher low, and this one is our last confirm a break of structure, right? And just below it, this is our inducement. Which one is it? Correct. So right now, this one is actual structure. And why I mark here? Because market continue go higher high. And at this point, market taken out this low. So this confirm is here, right? And again, market can go more downside, doesn't matter, right? But actual structure higher high is here. And then what happened here? Market again push higher high and break this one. In a first attempt, market just sweep the liquidity. So this one is not our confirmed structure. Okay, and the next attempt, what happened here? Market continue go higher high, and I think at this point, market close our weight. Yes. So our structure confirm here when price close the previous high is here. So this is a confirmed break of structure, right? Again go higher high, and finally market taken out the inducement. Which one is here, right? After taking out the inducement, we can again sell here. I mean, after taking out the inducement, first buy and then sell. And this was order block, and market go higher high and push downside. And this one is our flip, and this high act like a liquidity because our weight, I mean, this below it, there is no inducement. So we can sell our bid once market taken out this high, and we can sell here, middle of them. Okay. And we can sell until taken out the inside liquidity. At this point, this low act like a inside liquidity, and just below it, and this order block is here. Correct. So we can sell this one. And when market sweep the previous high, we can sell here. First entry is here. Break the structure here, which is an indication for the continuation, because market not holding even extreme PY. So we can sell after again taking out the inducement, again sell. Which one is here at this point? Right. Again, same thing happen here. Break this low, break this one, and again push higher high, tap on the extreme, minor high sweep, and again looking for the sell, at least this low, which one is already taken out. Okay, at this point. Okay, once market see the major low, we can definitely buy at this point. Okay, we can buy here for the short term, and then market again looking here for the sell for the short term is also in a counter trend. So you can sell at this point and target again this low, right? This big. Okay, so right now price in a range still. One market break the previous high or low, sweep the major high or low, then you can buy or sell in a lower time frame. Okay, and I will show you some few example when end of the session, maybe, and maybe in a between back testing session, that how you can take entry once market sweep the previous high or low, as I did in a recent previous session. If you not watch, you can watch in a previous weekly webinar, which will be more helpful to you. Okay. Okay, now switch into the, like, if you can switch here in a 1 minute, then you will see exactly that how you can take trade here when market sweep this one, because this one is the last move, even market is a close here. But when market close below it, change of rate is here, correct? Change of rate taken out the inducement. At this point there is no inducement, and we can sell above it like this, right? Like this. At this point chalk is here. Okay, chalk is here, inducement, and general liquidity is here, just below it, this one. In this case, this one is an inducement. After taking out this inducement, you have to identify order block, first order block, sorry, and the this one is a SMT, and just below it, this one is our extreme. Okay, not this one. Engine liquidity is here, not this one. Because this order block taken out the liquidity, right? And at this point, actual order block was here, right? Which is already mitigated here. So there is no imbalance proper, and those bearish candle is here, but those candle is not break the previous candle high or low, just an inside buy, right? So this one is a more perfect for the buy or sell. First one taken out the inducement, second on taken out the extreme. Okay. Okay, now switch into another pair. It's a gold. Switch into higher time frame picture. Okay, so right now we have a situation like this in a gold. Market momentum is currently bearish and market continue falling, and a price tap on the extreme point, and right now market trying to push downside, and at this point you can see here which level market must be taken out, which is here, because this one is our pullback. So price can be pushed downside and tap on this one like this and then go high. Okay, and maybe market break the previous major high, which one is here. Okay, so once market close of it, then you can definitely looking for the continuation. If market not tap here and market unable to go high, then we can sell. Correct. So it's depend on the situation, but I'm not interested here for the like buy here right now. Everything is looks bearish. So once market broke the previous measure high, then wares will be changed, right? And if I switch here into 15-minute structure, so this one is our 15-minute structure in a GBP, sorry, in gold. Which one is here? So this one is our right now is a current price action. So everyone, what is a possible scenario is here, and what are you looking here right now as per the 15-minute structure? Everyone mark here. What is next move in a gold as per the 15-minute structure? I'm sorry. Okay, so this one is our structure, previous low, sweep, and this was our lower high, push downside, go high, break this previous structure, close our weight, confirm the change of factor, and again, market continue looking for the upside, taking out the inducement, tap on this order block, again, push higher high, and this high sweep, you can sell into lower time frame, and again low sweep, you can again buy here, no sweep, right? Momentum is a bullish, continue, and taken out this minor inducement, and after taking out the inducement, tap on the order block and again go high, but fail to create new high, and those are indication for the uh like a bearish, break the previous low, sweep the inducement, and again you can sell for the short term at this point, right, till the previous demand and previous low, which one is here, right, again push higher high, break the structure is here, right, and finally this one is our change of character, push downside, taken out the inducement. Once market taken out the inducement, you can sell at this point, push downside, new break of structure is here, after break the structure, taken out the inducement, you can for looking for the short term at this point for the sell. So this was the structure, lower low, lower high, lower low, right, and this one is our inducement, right, and you can sell here, but what happened here, market sweep the, I mean break this high, first sweep, and the next time close of it. Okay, so we can buy below it. If market keep any opportunity, then definitely you can buy here, I mean below it. Those high act like a inducement. So right now this one is overall structure in a gold, like a 15-minute for the buy or sell. And like this is a very inner range, sometime break the high, sometime break the low, so take a decision, take the action as per the plan. Okay, if market sweep the measure high or low, then take action in a lower time frame. Actually we can consider this one is a change of character, technically, as per the structure, right? Okay, so everyone, now switch into another pair, which one is a Bitcoin. Okay, so start from the weekly. All right, so right now momentum is currently bearish, as we mentioned in a previous past few weeks, that market looking for the shell, no any reversal moment is here. Okay, everything is looks bearish in a Bitcoin. So you can definitely looking for the sell setup, and there is no bullish momentum is here, right? Because this one is our last hope for the pullback, which one is here, because this order block taken out the previous candle low, and market can be go higher, but market not uh, able to go higher. Market continue push downside and falling and break the previous low. And if market you are looking for sell, then definitely you can sell after taking out this previous high, because this high, this order block act like a SMT, right? And then still market is bullish if market go higher high, right? And if you switch here in a monthly time frame, then you will see here exactly what happening here. Break the structure. This is an inducement. After inducement, where is order block? At this point, correct? So this one is our first order block when you can buy for the longer term at this point, correct? And the next one is here. Which one is here? So technically these two like a order block when we can buy. First one is here, and second one is here, right? So only these two order block. Okay, so we can see in upcoming days Bitcoin around $12,000 at least. Okay, then we can see some bullish momentum in upcoming months and years. It's take a lot of time technically. And this one is our inducement idea. And if you switch here into daily time frame, that what is possible here as per the daily time frame and 4 hour and 15 minute. So this is the overall structure. You can sell after taking out this high. Okay, and possibly tap on the extreme, which one is here, and the next one is here. At this point. Okay, so overall main thing is here, this high. Once market taken out this high, we can sell. These order block step or not doesn't matter. Main thing is taken out the high, taken out the low, those act like a liquidity point. Main thing is a liquidity order block, and these are like you can use as a additional confirmation, not for the primary is high. Okay, so we can sell our weight. If you switch here into 15-minute structure to see exactly what happening here and what is possible scenario, this low is already sweep here, which is an indication for the reversal. If I switch here into 15-minute, so this low is a sweep here. Okay, and this one is our structure after sweep. This is our possible structure here, and if you wish to mark the structure is here, so where is our possible structure right now? Higher high, higher low, and boss and chop. You can mark here, everyone. Okay, so right now after chop, the first high act like a chop or boss, as you know, sorry, chop. So right now this high sweep and this become our change of character. Okay, chop. And after this chop, our higher high is confirmed here because market taken out this inducement. And again, this become our break of structure. Again, push higher high and market not taking out this inducement. Okay, I think zoom this part. This one is here. Very minor inducement is here. Higher high, higher low. And this one, break of structure. At this point, confirm high is here. Higher low. Again, break of the structure. First see this one and next attempt is a confirm structure. Which one is here? Correct. And right now, momentum is in a range and not broke the previous high or low. Just tap on the extreme. I mean, sweep this low. After sweep the previous low, whichever one is extreme, and then market go high. And right now, momentum in a range and here. Okay. So if market sweep the measure high or low, then you can definitely sell or buy. Okay, like this. Like previous high sweep, you can sell. Previous low sweep, you can buy. Previous high sweep, you can sell. If same thing happen here, previous high sweep, then we can sell. Okay, so you can trade like this in a crypto market because low momentum in a crypto market, and you don't need to sell directly here. You can switch into lower time frame for additional confirmation, and you can also sell here in a same time frame, right? You can see how many entries is possible here. These are, but these are taken out this high. Tap on the order flow. No, this can be possible entry. Okay, previous high sweep, sell. Previous high sell, sweep, and you can sell. Previous high sweep, and you can sell. This one is also sweep because when market is bullish and sweep the previous high, those will give you short-term move for the sell. But when market sweep the previous low like this, then those will give you strong move to the upside because momentum is a bullish. You are playing as with measure trend. Okay. So this one is our overall scenario in a Bitcoin as per the 15-minute. Now switch into the another measure pair is a Bank Nifty. Let's open first a higher time frame scenario. Market creating all-time new high. Okay. Picking out this. Okay. So what is a possible scenario is here. You can see here market break the previous high and close of it. Okay. So those are indication that market now looking for the continuation to the upside. This is a short-term move possible here. If market push downside, tap on this order block and then you can buy here. Correct? If market tap here on this order block and then give short-term move but fail, right? Then you can sell, taken out this extreme and then go high like this. Okay. Now switch here into 5-minute structure. So this one is a 5-minute structure in a bank nifty. Everyone mark here a valid structure here, lower lows and lower high and higher high, higher low, boss chop. What is possible right now here? Everyone mark here. Okay, perfect. So as you know, market momentum is bullish, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and again create new higher high. Which one is here? Because the market taken out the inducement. After taking out the inducement, we can buy here on this order block. First order block is here, which is a failed, and tap on the extreme one is here, right? So only TPY actually work first after taking out the inducement, second taking out the intraday liquidity. So this law act like a intraday liquidity, which one is here. Okay. And now we can continue buy here to the upside. But if market sweep the previous high, okay, then we can sell, right? Why? Because if market sweep the major high or low, those are indication that market technically looking for the reversal to the downside. Okay. So you have to wait for it here in a 5-minute structure. Don't take any decision right now as per the current price action. You have to wait for the additional confirmation. If market close out it, then you can buy here like this. If market close out it, then taken out this minor inducement and then go high. Target is a previous measure high, right? But if market go high like this and sweep this one, right? Then you can sell here like this. Okay. At least target this low, right? Maximum is a measure low. Previous high, sorry, previous low. Which one is here? Okay. So this one is a bank nifty. Now let's do some quick back testing, everyone. And after that, we will do quick back session. Sorry, question answer session. Okay. So which pair we should do back testing today in this session. Everyone, I will do a quick backtesting for the 15 to 20 minutes. You can do any pair. And in every webinar, try different pair, which will be more helpful. Actually, everyone do a different pair. Like recent in a previous week, I think we have done in a gold, I think. And before that, we have done Bitcoin, Aussie USD, Euro USD, GBP USD. Already almost every pair is done. Okay, US30, Ethereum, natural gas, US30, GPY. Okay. We can anyone, right? You can see previous high sweep here. You can sell. Previous high sweep, sell. Low sweep, you can buy. Again, low sweep, you can buy. No sweep, just closing. If give any additional confirmation, you can buy like this. Same thing happen here. Previous low sweep and then buy. Previous high sweep, then sell. So these things happen every time in every pairs, most of the time. Yes, 30 GBP, JPY, natural gas, DAX, Euro USD, Bank Nifty, Ethereum, gold, Ethereum, jab. Let's try a different new pair. Yeah. Okay, everyone. So start the any pair, JP, JPI, Euro, JPI. Okay, we can take any pair. Don't spend too much time to select a pair. Okay, GBP, JPY. Okay, let's do it. Everyone, GP, JPY. Let's see how it works. And start from the 15-minute structure. Which part you wanna backtest? Do you wanna understand that how liquidity sweep entry work and how you can take into lower time frame? Today in this like for like weekly backtesting session. Natural gas. Okay, natural gas will do like a quick review, but one pair is enough for a back testing, but maybe in a next webinar we will do. First of all, to mark to take a trade, you have to mark the valid structure. So everyone mark here, where is our structure right now and what is a possible scenario is here. Okay, perfect, everyone. So this one is our higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Again, structure creating like this. Okay, and this one break of structure, and this will come our change of character, and this one is also the previous low is a sweep here. Okay, so we can see here at this point when market is a bullish, simply you can buy after taking out the inducement, taking out the extreme, right? Taking out this inducement, right? Where is the pullback order block is here, and this one is also here, correct? In this leg, inducement, after taking out the inducement, we can sell here. First entry is the sell here, and the next possible sell here on this shadow, which one is here. Why? Because this candles taken out the previous candle high, right? So this shadow act like a liquidity. I mean, uh, PY, correct? Because our weight, everything is mitigated. Like this order block, this shadow, everything is mitigated here. Where is our engine? Infinity just below it. You have to see where is a pullback. I think this one is not here. Okay, taken out this as a liquidity, previous high sweep, sell, break the structure, taken out this pullback, sell until broken this low. So right now we can sell here in a GBP, JPY in a lower time frame. Okay, because momentum is currently bearish, right? Okay, so which part you wanna backtest for the quick? TP is here. minimum TP is here and maximum is a major low, H1 is here. Okay. Major minor inducement. Major minor inducement, you can understand like this. Okay. If anything happen, you have you can understand like this is a major minor, like here, this one. Okay. If anything happen like this, okay, so these are minor because these minor inducement, this high and this low, move like this, correct? So if anything happen between this line, so those count as a minor. But technically, major inducement is here, and you have to buy or sell after taking out the major inducement. And second thing you need to understand, you have to see that length of the and the size of the pullback, size of the price. Sometimes this is a very larger and small pullback is a very tiny, like previous candle low just and then go high. So those low act like a also inducement, right? But major inducement always in a bigger shape size, right? First entry after sweep. Okay, you can take anyone, like here can see previous low is a sweep here. This one low is a sweep here. Okay, this low is a sweep here, and we can also see this low is also sweep here, right? When market sweep the measure high or low, then you are looking for the buy or sell. Okay, so at this point, previous low sweep, you have to switch into 1 minute to see exactly, right? So when you switch into lower time frame, then you have to buy after taking out this, like this, chalk and buy, like this, chalk and flip and then buy, flip, chalk and sweep, right? You can switch here into 1 minute structure to see exactly here what happening right now. Now you can switch here in a 1 minute. So at this point, everyone can mark here where is our change of factor and when we can take a decision for the buy at least. Okay. All right, guys. So when market break the previous measure high or low, then you have to identify where is our first pullback. Even a minor measure doesn't matter. When market break the previous measure high or low, yeah, sweep the high or low and give any reversal confirmation, then you have to enter, right? So enter confirmation is here. You can also buy here directly, like here previous low sweep and as per the 15-minute buy here, and but you need to put the stop loss just per. But at this time, your stop loss is a and your risk reward is a very smaller. Okay, so in this slide, you can see here this high act like a change of character. Which one is here? Okay, right. So this one is our change of character, and below it, you can see in the slide there is any pullback is here. Everyone can find here where is our next pullback in the slide. Absolutely correct. Perfect. Exactly. Because this bearish candle taken out the previous bullish candle high, right? Okay, perfect. So this high act like a change of character because this previous candle high taken out. So this act like pullback like this. And there is no pullback is here. And some people mark this as a pullback, this no. Because no previous candle taken out the previous candle high like this. Okay. So if market break this one, for example here, and at this time, you don't need to wait for the candle closure. First thing you need to understand, because price already taken out the previous high or tap on the PUI zone, right? Then you have to wait for lower time frame confirmation for the buy or sell. You can simply buy or sell here directly, but you need additional confirmation for the buy or sell, right? So let's see. And okay, previous high break here, and the actual change of character is here. Okay, and at this point, when we can buy or sell in this case. If I show you here as per the 15-minute structure, right? Look at this structure is here. Yes, exactly. Everyone, you can see here this previous low sweep, you can definitely buy here and put this stop loss just below it. And target is a measure high. Correct. So this is our target previous high. Which one is here? Why we are choosing? Because this is our lower actual high. This one. No. And high is here. I'm sorry, what happening? Okay. And switch into 1 minute structure. We can not use those high reason because this high is already broken. by this low. What happening? This low by broken is here. And if you buy here, then you can put this stop loss. I mean, target is here, but this low is already broken. So we can target is here, right? And switch into 1 minute. So this one is our first entry is here. And as per the 1 minute structure, where is our next possible entry is here, everyone? Okay, perfect, everyone. Okay, you can buy here. This one is a first entry as per the 15 minute, and second entry is also you can buy on the extreme order block, which one is here, but you need to wait for the inducement. At this in this leg, there is no inducement is create here. Okay, only one inducement, which one is here. Okay, so price can be pushed downside. So in this case, you can buy on the extreme order block is here, right? Because the last selling candle before this buy, which is here, right? So you can buy here and but put the stop loss the just below it. And one more thing you need to understand, at this time there is no inducement here in a lower time frame, so you can take additional confirmation on single candle order block, right? And I will not recommend it this type of entry. Sometimes what happen, price create a change of rate, then market push downside and taken out the previous low if you are looking as per the 1 minute. Okay, but the first entry is here valid for the as per the 15 minute. Okay, because those in those conditions you don't need to wait for the uh inducement as per the 15 minute. Okay, but when you are switching into 1 minute, then you have to wait for it. Okay, so in this case you can take additional confirmation like price type here and price create single candle order block, then you can definitely add here for buy or sell. Okay, so no, this right which you mark here, this is the inside where actual candle is here, which is the last selling candle before this buy. Everything is happening between this high or low. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so everything happening between this candle low and this candle high. If anything happened between this, doesn't matter, right? Main thing is this candle. If any candle broke this low, so this can be a valid order block like this. Okay, let's see what happened next here. Okay, first entry is a tap here. Okay, the next this entry is a possible here for the buy. So when we can buy here for the next possible entry on this order block? Exactly, because this bearish candle taken out the previous candle low, right? And this one is our single candle order block. Okay, if you don't know exactly what is single candle order block means when price tap on your PY zone, price create last selling candle and the next bullish candle close our bit like this, and the next third candle tap here, and then we can buy here. But at this point, you have to put your stop loss just below it, not here. If you are putting here stop loss, those also fine, but those are a little bit risky, right? Because these are very tiny stop loss. Okay, let's see what happened next here. Simply, you can add here, put this stop loss just below it, and target is a same, measure 15-minute high, which one is here. Okay, and one more thing is here, I want to mention here. If market sweep this high, which one is here, if market, break this high, you can switch your stop loss on break even point. Okay, and also one more thing I want to mention here, until broken this high, you can add multiple position here in a, as per the single candle mitigation entry, right? Once market broke this high, you don't need to add single candle mitigation entry. You have to wait for taking out the inducement and buy or sell. Okay, so main entry is here, first entry as per the 50-minute, and second entry is here on the single candle order block, right? And third entry is also valid, but those are not a high probability. Which one is here? The last selling candle before this buy here, right? So those entry is also valid, but not a high probability, right? This one is a high probability entry, and this one, because this one as per the 15-minute sweep. Okay, let's see. Look here. If you put the stop loss just below, so this can be stop loss hit, right? Let's see what happened next here. Okay, perfect. Okay. Okay, perfect. So now you can switch your stop loss on a break even point. Okay, and now you have to wait for to create inducement before buy or sell. Okay, let's see. Okay, so when we can buy here right now? Okay, perfect. Yes, this one is a possible is here. Once market taken out this inducement is here, definitely you can buy here. If market not tap on order block, just sweep this low, right? You can simply here buy on the single candle order block. Okay. So let's see what happened next here. Okay. So where is the next possible entry is here? Everyone. Perfect, everyone. Exactly. The first pullback is here. You can see This one is our low, which is already sweep here. And when price see the measure high or low, those can be a buy here. And why we are looking here for buy? Because the previous pullback low, and I mean, you can see inducement sweep here and you can buy here, right? Okay. So you can simply buy here. Put the stop loss just below it, this low, right? And if market break the previous high, which one is here? Actually 15-minute high is here. The first pullback is here. So when market broke this high, you have to put your stop loss just on a break-even point. And one more thing you need to understand, when market break the previous 15-minute high, I wanna you can see here, right? So when market broke this high, you have to put your stop loss on a break-even point, first thing. And second thing, you don't need to add multiple position once market break this high. You have to wait for 1 minute chalk, and then inducement, and then you can buy. Once market taken out 1 minute inducement, tap on PY order block in a lower time frame, then you can start scaling position, right? So let's see what happened next here. Liquidity sweep is a very simple and very powerful way to take a trade in a buy side and sell side. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now you can see here, this high is taken out and you can put the stop loss on a break-even point. Okay, and main target is here. All previous stop loss is not changed, but you can take a partial here. Okay, because when market break the previous high or low, you can take a partial is like a good idea, because you can give a more space between the live price and the stop loss, right? So you can take a partial and you can hold more position. But first position stop loss on a break-even point. Okay, and now you can see previous high break and which point you are looking here for buy right now, everyone. Which low must be taken out before go high? Okay, now let's see. Now again mark everyone. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. So right now we can see here, you can buy here. First taken out this pullback, at least taken out this pullback. You can buy here, and the actual you wanna take a buy here. So you can take a inducement structure like this one. Okay, because these are happening like this. Because 15-minute high broken, I mean previous measure high broken, then you need to take this high because this is inducement high, right? Sorry, inducement low. So when market break this low, so those are more additional confirmation, right? If market not break the previous high, which one is here? Let me show you this high, right? So you can simply take the entry like this one, which I took here, right? When market taken out the major high, then market give a strong move to the downside, because 1 minute chalk can be your 5-minute inducement, and 5-minute inducement can be your 15-minute inducement. 5-minute chalk for the 15-minute inducement. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so new inducement create here, right? And you can buy here, but these are a very like low probability entry. Second thing, you need to wait for taking out the major low. At this time in this leg, only one low is here. Those act taken out the liquidity. Which one is here? Because this is our actual structure is here. Okay, so let's see what happened next here. If market ignore this low, then we are looking here for the buy. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's see. There is any possible entries here, everyone? No, because no sweep here. Okay, perfect. Okay, either break, either tap on the extreme one. Which one is here? This one, right? So this one can be your high probability entry for the buy because this one is extreme, right? Or wait for the new structure. Yes, this is a chalk as per the 15-minute, but look at the 15-day structure. When market taken out the previous high, right? Actually, as per the 15-minute structure, right now, this is our change of factor. And when market taken out the change of factor, you have to wait for taken out the previous low, right? And when you switch into 15-minute structure, then where is our low? It's here, right? And this is our minor low we are using for the 1-minute entry. But when you are looking for the buy as per the 15-minute, then you have to wait for the taken out the 5-minute, 1-minute low. Okay, let's see. There is any possible entries here? Okay, no. Okay. Previous high sweep here. Break this high is here. In a first attempt, press just sweep, and the next attempt, press close forward. So this is a confirm break of structure. Yes. So when we can buy here? So right now we have a range between this high, this low, right? So where is our inducement? Where is our extreme? Okay, perfect. So this is our inducement, at least taken out this one, right? And the next one, everything is mitigate here, and this one, right? So first entry, this low, taken out this low. You can buy if price sweep this low. So you can buy here. And the next entry, if price tap on this order block, you can directly buy here, put this stop just below it, or market keep any single candle order block, you can definitely buy here. Yes, but those are not sufficient, but this can be this candle, right? Type the entry exactly. Let's see what happened next here. Okay. Okay. Previous low is a sweep here. I mean, break this one. This low taken out, and we can buy here on the extreme. This one, right? Either wait for the single candle order block. Okay, because already market taken out the investment, right? Give any single candle order block entry, you can buy also here possible. But let's see. Okay. Okay. Yes, this is not inside bar because the previous candle flow is broken here. Like here. Let's see. Okay. Still, where is our buy entry here? Still, because this low act like inducement, you can also buy here. Or wait for the another inducement and then buy. And this is also still valid as per the single candle. Exactly. And I put the stop loss just below it. And let's see. Okay, perfect. This one is our single candle mitigation based entry. And let's see. Target will be same here. Okay, perfect. So there is any possible entries here, everyone? Okay. Yes, this one is also possible. Entry is here after taking out this previous candle low sweep here at this point. Sweep, and we can buy here. If price again tap here, and then you can. Okay, let's see. Oh, oops. Okay, this one looks more good entry is here, like previous low sweep broken, but wait for the more single candle. Okay, this entry is a valid here for the buy. Target is the same, at least as per the 1 minute entry. Okay, you can take another entry like unmitigated break, and this become our new changer factor, and one more entry is here possible. Perfect. Put the stop loss just below it, and target is here. Okay, nice. Okay, so finally market meet our target point. Okay, all right. So these are possible entries is here. Yes, those anti is a possible sweep, but those we why we are not taking this sweep here, because price not have any POI, so we can't take any random sweep entry is here like this one. Okay, because this high is also sweep here, so why we can sell here? There is not any POI is here, right? If price tap on the any POI, okay, so we can take entry as per the sweep. You have to find a valid area for the buy or sell in a lower time frame. Then you can take a single candle mitigation entry. But when you are looking for the sweep entry, then measure high low sweep, right? Then you can take entry. Okay, bro? Yes, this can be a boss. Exactly. So everyone, and if you have any other question, and you can write in a chat section, I will give answer. And as I mentioned in a previous webinar, that we are going to uh, give moderator roles for 10 to 15 members. So I already DMs who are eligible for the moderator, and there are 10 to 15 members in our community who will manage to community and will help to other members, and a special session for the moderators. As I mentioned, I will train for moderator. I will train all moderators, and moderator will help for the new community members. Okay. So soon I will announce who are moderator, and you will see in a Discord section. Probably you will see on a Monday. We need more classes. Yes, these type of classes will be continue every week. Don't worry. In a sweep video which you uploaded on YouTube, got confusion if take the sweep entry. Entry after the structure break should not be considered that. In a sweep entry, same thing happen here as we apply in a sweep entry video. Previous measure high or low sweep, correct? Then you have to switch into lower time frame, 1 minute. Okay. If you are following 5 minute or 15 minute, mostly 15 minute, 15 minute high or low sweep, then you have to switch into 1 minute and wait for the chalk or boss or flip, right? uh, Proper inducement, then you can buy or sell. When price tap on PY, same thing apply in a sweep entry. At 16-minute time frame you apply. Yes, you can also take entry in a when price sweep the measure high or low, then you can take also entry for the buy or sell, as I did here. How to identify the trend, having a hard time to with this. To identify trend, simple. To identify what are you looking, like structure looking bullish or bearish. You can see if trend is going up, then bullish. Then you have to identify like inducement, break the previous high, find the inducement, means find the pullback, taken out the low, then confirm the higher high. Again, break the structure, same thing apply. Also, how do we place an anti-pending order at market exit? It's depend. Sometime if market sweep the low or high and you are looking here for buy or sell, then you have to put take an entry instantly, right? When you are waiting to mitigate any order block, then you have to place your order as per a pending order. Sometimes trend is not consistently. Yes, sometimes market is a choppy and ranging. Then you can simply take entry as per the previous high, low sweep, or taken out the inducement or session high or low sweep. Right, you can take a trade like this. For new Y, what time frame we should use for the measure structure and the for the like if you are day trader, then 15 minute as a higher time frame, 1 minute for the anti time frame. Okay, but if you are like a swing trader, positional trader, for swing trader you can use a H4 for the high time frame and 15 minute for the entry. But you are looking for the medium time frame, like 1 or 2 days trade, then simply you can use 1 hour and 5 minute, 1 hour higher time frame and 5 minute for entry. How to find the possible reversal from high time frame to often there's no demand or supply. Look, when there is no supply or demand, then you can find the reversal. There are 2-3 way. First thing, if previous day high or low sweep, if previous big candles high or low sweep, then you can switch into lower time frame, right, and take a trade. And second thing, if you wanna trade based on the session, right? Then you can wait for the any session sweep, right, or continuation. Then simply you can switch into lower time frame and buy or sell. Still taking applicant for moderators. I think almost is over, but I will I will announce, or maybe I will inform if there is any possible. But let's see how these moderator act and working to operate. If we need more space for the moderator, then definitely I will mess. Can you update on one pair? Yes, I will do markup. I will try to post a markup every week, like at least 2-3 times in a week. Can we have one-to-one webinar call with the moderator if I need it? With moderators, I will do webinar calls, Zoom calls, 2-3 times in a month at least. Please explain about session high or low sweep. High or low session already mentioned in a previous webinar also, right? If you watch previous webinar, then I already mentioned previous like session high or low working like this. Let me show you exactly. For example, this is a Asian session and London session open and taking out the previous high. Okay. Then what happened here? Market follow, and this is a New York, and okay. It means one session will be manipulate and rest two session is a following. Okay. And this one is our London, and this one is our New York, like this. Can we have some moderator webinar? Yes, for the moderator as a special webinar. I mean session. Okay. If these two session is working like this, is a continuation, then this session is a manipulate. One session will be manipulate in a day, like this. Session range for crypto or not? I think crypto in a session is a no impact, I think. And maybe, but I did not check. So I can't say exactly. But in a crypto market, basically you can follow the structure, especially. Thank you, VC. Okay, everyone. So if you have any other question and you would like to ask me here, and you can say here, and I will respond. I will respond you. Yes, this work in mm, yes, Indian work. Exactly in India stock working smoothly. If a order block is inside of a major candle, do you consider this a valid? No. If major candle is a we will use a major candle, not a inside candles. Those are not valid. You can understand like this. This is a previous session. This is a ASEAN sweep and push downside, right? And you can see, sorry, first low sweep break here, and after taking out the previous ASEAN session low, market go high, right, which is manipulated, and London is a bearish, right, because the previous session high sweep. And if you see as per the perspective of the structure, when market sweep the previous high or low, we are always looking for the sell here. And you can see here, I think this one is also here, previous high sweep, push downside, and rest a continuation. You can see uh, this low. Okay, ASEAN low sweep and go high. London sweep, again sweep. I mean, reversal. Those session, these two session is a continuation, but New York is a reversal. In this case, ASEAN and London is a continuation, and New York is a reversal, right? And this was ASEAN is a bearish, and London bullish, and also try to go bullish. I mean, in a New York. In a day, one session will be manipulated, at least one session. Can you prefer any forex broker? It's up to you. You can use any best broker. I never share any referral link to join anything. Okay, because it's up to you. And you can use any tight spread broker. There are a lot of broker. It's depend on your country availability. But I have to choose under. You can choose your as per your MP4, like match your price, that which broker is a perfect following as per your MT4, like uh, FXCM, Wanda, and forex.com. There are a lot of broker available on TradingView. Single candle. Single candle mitigation entry. It also act as an inducement. Yes, act inducement if market break the structure. I mean 1 minute structure. For the session, okay, indicator. I'm using in this day this as this tool. You can also use. You can use any tool. Okay, everyone. And I will upload as soon as possible on Discord. Once I finish, then I will upload on Discord. You can watch again. Thank you, everyone. And soon I will announce moderator's name for your help and for our better community. फाइव मिनट लेंगे कि 5 मिनट 15 मिनट का स्ट्रक्चर लेंगे इन फॉरेक्स मार्केट 5 मिनट का सिर्फ बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी में लेंगे और सेशन के लिए आप 5 मिनट का लेंगे 5 मिनट सेशन स्वीप हाई और लो एंड देन वेट फॉर दी 1 मिनट एंट्री 3.0 on 1st January on New Year. I will. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. How do you suggest per trade? For prop funded account, you can take 0.5% per trade risk. On your self account, you can take 1% risk. एक साथ के yes, all videos will be uploaded in a one day, not parts. Everything, all videos, PDF, diagram will be uploaded in a day. To protect for the like some people are doing misuse, so I will do NDA like non-disclosure agreement, and 3.0 is only for who are eligible, like I will choose, and a lot of members and like few members is a break the rule, so I will kick them from group. I know there are a lot of fake members who join just to download course. So first I remove all members, then I will kick him. And once I clean all spam and fake accounts, then I will release. Okay, thank you everyone.